Pal the Drone Trucker on the Trucker Pass YouTube channel. Today we're going to change out a little cap that goes on the power steering reservoir. This is the first time doing it, so you're going to have to kind of bear with me. So what I'm going to use the channel or vice grips. See, there's the cap. This is what the new cap looks like. So what happened was that little piece in there broke off from it. So now we just got to get this in here. Got to close these up enough to at least get a grip of that part.
A few moments later.
Alright. There we go. That piece pops out. Now what happened was there's a little cotter key right there that broke out from underneath inside. So now we'll take the new one, like that. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks from your pal the Drone Trucker. Keep it real.